Hey guys, how you doing today? Video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. It's got the 6.2 engine in it, automatic transmission, 8-speed, 8L90. The customer was complaining of a not shifting correctly. Did a little bit of history research on this vehicle, and it looks like it had a transmission at 44,000 miles back in 2018. So it's got a GM Reman transmission in it. Verified it was slipping in gear pretty bad. Second, third gear, third to fourth. We did notice a torque converter shudder in it. Got the transmission pan dropped down and I notice the fluid is really black and burnt. Got the filter pulled down. We've seen a little bit of metallic debris in the filter, so went ahead and got this transmission pulled, disassembled. Found the intermediate C3, C5 clutches burnt. The fibers are black. We get some heat marks on the steel plates. Didn't notice any physical hard part failure, so basically we just got burnt clutches and a failed torque converter. And when a torque converter failed, it sent material through the pump, and then we get loss of pressure, and that's what caused the clutches to burn out of it. Was kind of curious on this one where this transmission got replaced in 2018 to see if it had the updated front cover plate with the 2 check valves, and it does. You can see in this picture here how it has the 2 check valves. This is supposed to eliminate the bleed back when the vehicle set overnight, and what would happen is it would have a delay in reverse because pretty much all the fluid would be drained back. Did have a video that I put up a while ago on a 2015 Chevy with a 6.2 in it, 8-speed for the delay in reverse, so you guys can go check that one out. That's how I talked about the service bulletin for that updated stator plate. Bulletin was a 16-NA-014. It just basically shows you what I have in this picture here, how there's an updated design with a 2 check ball system in it. So unfortunately, this vehicle went about 60,000-70,000 miles on this GM Reman transmission. I've been talking to different various GM techs and GM shops, and I guess they've been having issues with remans coming in and not lasting that long and failing, and basically having the same issue as what was taken out of the vehicle being put back into it. This one here is unfortunate. It's going to need another transmission. Since this transmission got replaced back in 2018, at the time they didn't have the new Mobil 1 LV ATF out, which is that blue label I was talking about. So most likely this got shipped with the old black label fluid, and unfortunately, we'd get another transmission failure here with the old fluid. Like I said prior on some other videos, the blue label, if you catch it soon enough, it seems to fix the torque converter shudder issue. The fluid is supposed to dissipate water a lot better. You guys are wondering what that blue label fluid looks like. I'll put a link in the description on it. Like I said, it's the Mobil 1 LV ATF. It has a blue label on the bottle. I'll also put in the description where GM talks about the new updated fluid, which is out in July of 2019. The bulletin number is a 18-NA-355. So I'll put that on the bottom for you. Appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell to get notified when I put up new videos. You guys have a good day. Thank you.